Hello, it's Karen Burniston here with a project preview for our November 2024 Zoom class. With Zoom classes, there is a die requirement, so in this case 3 dies from our latest release, as well as a foundation die of our Christmas tree pop-up. Both cards are going to be Christmas themed and use some Simple Stories paper. So the first one is going to feature our new Postage Pop-up die set along with the new Poinsettia. I always like to amp things up a little bit for classes, so in this case it'll be a doubled postage pop-up so you can see the motion of that one on the left-hand side of the card. We have started offering some sentiment clear stamp sets, but we do not make them a requirement for the classes. So when you see those stamped greetings, those will be pre-printed in the kit, but if you end up falling in love with them, there is a clear stamp set that you can get that has those greetings. For our second card, we will use the foundation die, which is the Christmas tree pop-up, along with a new add-ons set. So what the add-ons set does is gives some new outer trees to that Christmas tree pop-up that have openings and little holes to be able to dangle some ornaments. So it really does give a new look to that Christmas tree. It's a fun add-ons set. Another thing that you may appreciate if you already own that Christmas tree is that this new set includes a tree skirt that has the tabs already built into it. Once again, we're using Simple Stories paper, and let me tell you, this collection had postage stamps in the paper, so it was absolutely perfect for this month's classes. We're able to combine pieces from all of the required dies into this card. The class kits for our Zoom classes are exclusive to our participating stores, and you will find a list on our website, karenburniston.com. Click on the Events tab. Your best value is going to be to bundle those 3 brand new dies with your paper pre-cuts and instructions into one bundle price. And then you would have to add on your foundation die if you didn't already own it. However, it does happen that sometimes people find out about the classes after they've already purchased one or more of the required dies. So when that happens, there is an option to get just your paper extras and instructions without dies. However, I want to be very clear that you still need the dies because your kit is going to be the bulk materials that are needed to create those cards. And then what will happen is 10 days before the class, you will get by email from the place where you bought your kit, your prep work, your very detailed PDF instructions, a link to the prep work video at your own pace. And within those 10 days, you just have to get your prep work done. Then we meet together on Zoom to do the assembly. We do record the Zoom classes so that any student that can't make the class or you have to dive out early because you got another commitment, you can go and complete your projects off of the recording whenever you want to. You also have access to that recording to remake these projects again in other colors and themes as you so desire. We do not make Zoom recordings public, so you do need to be a kit holder to have access to that class day video. The Zoom for this class will be on November 16th, 2024. That is a Saturday, starting at 11 a.m. Central. If you'd like to join us, you can go to our website, karenburniston.com, click on the Events tab. You will find a list of the stores that are making kits. I will also throw a direct link in the description box below. Hope you can make it.